Hi everyone, I'm Viviane Fornazaro and I'm here with Kimberly Malumian. We're both dietitians and we just want to show you some simple ways of hydrating yourself after surgery. So thank you for coming, Kim.
Yeah,
so
no
nice
problem.
to see you again.
We're back at it.
Yes. And I just would like to start with ginger, because ginger is such a well-known ingredient to help with nausea, even vomiting.
Yes.
And it has been used for centuries in so many cultures. And then chamomile. So hopefully this will come together nicely and it will soothe if needed. And also warm now that it's starting to get cold.
Yeah, it's definitely chilly. And so it's nice to have something warm like a tea, right? And chamomile helps a lot of people relax and, feel better. So we're gonna make a chamomile tea with some ginger in it because that's good for the nausea or stomach upset that they might have after surgery. And this is gonna be super easy, guys. Just get yourself a box of chamomile tea and you're gonna put the tea bag right in your hot liquid safe glass. And then we're gonna take some ginger. I prefer the fresh, right? The dried isn't gonna have as much potency to it. We're just gonna cut off a little piece, which is maybe about like the size of a quarter. And I'm gonna peel it, or use a knife to do it, you can do that too. However works best for you. The actual skin of the ginger, it doesn't really matter if you consume it, but you want the flesh of the ginger to touch the hot water because then you'll get the most out of that, the most benefit. All right, so we got a lot of the skin off there, and I'm gonna slice it into some small pieces because the more surface area you have in there, right, the more flavor and then the more enzymes are gonna come out to help your stomach. So that was easy. We just put a little bit of ginger and the tea bag. We boiled some hot water over here. We're gonna pour it in, and you wanna let it steep, right, for at least probably a minute to let the tea come out of the bag, the flavoring and all of that, and to let the ginger sort of permeate the hot water. And then you can enjoy.
I'm gonna put on just right in here so we keep ourselves safe. All right.
Oh, that's nice. That little cup holder. I do like glass.
Yes.
Glasses for drinking hot liquid, right? Seems very sophisticated.
May I?
Yes. Don't burn yourself.
And actually, I'm just gonna keep it right here. Thank you, Kim.
Yeah.